Did you know that one simple habit, like squeezing a lemon into your drink, could either boost your health or quietly harm it after age 60? It sounds surprising, but thousands of seniors face unexpected digestive issues, kidney stone risks, or blood sugar spikes, often without suspecting their trusty lemon might be involved. Don't get me wrong, lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, making them a fantastic health ally. But paired with the wrong foods, they can trigger bloating, fatigue, or even a trip to the ER. Today we're uncovering the truth. I'll reveal the top foods you should never mix with lemon if you're over 60, then share powerful, safe combinations to supercharge your digestion, immunity, and energy. This isn't just a list of rules. It's a guide to small choices that make a big difference. Stick with me. If you love lemon water or use lemon in cooking, this could change your approach. Drop a 1 in the comments if you're curious about your lemon habits, or a 0 if this is new to you. Let's jump in with the first food to avoid. Dairy. Number 1. Dairy products. Milk, yogurt, cheese. Dairy's a staple for many. Creamy yogurt, milk and coffee, or cheesy dishes. It's comforting, calcium-rich, great for bones, right? But here's the catch. Mixing lemon with dairy after 60 can spell digestive trouble. Lemon's citric acid reacts with dairy's calcium, causing milk or yogurt to curdle, clumping up like a bad experiment. In your stomach, this leads to bloating, gas, or that heavy, food-stuck feeling. As we age, digestive enzymes and stomach acid drop, making tricky combos harder to handle. A 65-year-old sipping lemon milk or eating lemon-drizzled yogurt might face discomfort or diarrhea without knowing why. A food chemistry study confirms citric acid alters dairy proteins, disrupting digestion, while the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition notes seniors struggle with calcium absorption when acids are impaired. Take Sarah, a 68-year-old who loved her nightly lemon milk detox. She battled bloating until switching to plain herbal tea. Problem gone. Tip: skip lemon in dairy dishes like parfaits or creamy sauces. If you love lemon water, wait an hour after dairy. Now let's talk about a sweet mistake that could mess with your blood sugar. Number 2. Refined sugar. Who doesn't enjoy a pastry, cake, or sugar in tea? But combining lemon with refined sugar, like in lemonade or desserts, is risky after 60, especially if you're watching blood sugar. Lemon's citric acid slows glucose processing, disrupting insulin's job. Normally, insulin helps cells absorb sugar, but citric acid can make glucose linger in your blood, causing spikes or crashes. This is critical for the 1 in 4 seniors over 65 with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, per the CDC. Aging reduces insulin sensitivity, so lemon with sugary snacks can work against you. A Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism study found acidic foods cut insulin sensitivity by up to 20% with refined carbs. My friend Ahmed, 70, drank sugary lemonade daily and felt wiped out after meals. Switching to plain lemon water stabilized his energy. Tip: enjoy lemon alone or with naturally sweet berries. Avoid sugar syrups or candies with lemon, and space out sweets from lemon foods. Next, a healthy food group that could lead to painful kidney stones with lemon. Number 3, oxalate-rich foods. Spinach, beets, nuts. Spinach, beets, and nuts like almonds are nutrient powerhouses. Fiber, antioxidants, heart health benefits. But pairing them with lemon regularly can raise kidney stone risk. Lemon citric acid binds with oxalates in these foods, forming crystals that can grow into stones, especially as kidney function slows with age. The National Kidney Foundation says seniors over 60 are prone to stones, with diet a big factor. A clinical journal of the American Society of Nephrology study linked high oxalate acid diets to more calcium oxalate stones in those over 55. Miriam, 66, loved lemon spinach smoothies, thinking they were cleansing. After kidney stone pain, she switched to olive oil dressings. No more stones. Tip: don't ditch these foods. Just avoid frequent lemon pairings. Use vinegar for spinach salads, drink plenty of water, and consult a doctor if you have kidney issues. Now, let's explore 3 safe, senior-friendly lemon pairings that boost vitality. Safe pairing 1. Raw honey, not the processed kind, is a treasure, full of enzymes, antioxidants, and antibacterial power. Mixed with warm, not hot lemon water, it's a soothing tonic for digestion and immunity. Aging reduces stomach acid, slowing digestion, but lemon's mild acidity jumpstarts it while honey's enzymes ease gut irritation. A 2018 Frontiers in Pharmacology study found honey's polyphenols boost immunity and fight bacteria. Lemon's vitamin C adds an immune kick. My Uncle Hassan, 73, starts his day with warm lemon honey water. His digestion improved, and seasonal colds vanished. How to? Squeeze half a lemon into a mug, add 1 teaspoon raw honey, pour warm water, and sip before breakfast. Avoid hot water to preserve honey's benefits. Next, a golden spice that transforms lemon's power. Safe pairing. 2. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory curcumin, shines when mixed with lemon and a pinch of black pepper. Curcumin fights inflammation tied to arthritis and heart issues, but needs help to absorb. Lemon's acidity activates it, and black pepper's piperine boosts absorption by 2,000% per studies. This trio reduces joint stiffness and supports liver detox by aiding bile production. My Aunt Layla, 69, drank a lemon turmeric pepper shot daily and saw less knee pain in weeks. How to? Mix warm water, juice of half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, pinch of pepper. Start small to adjust to the flavor. Finally, a warming root that loves lemon. Safe pairing. 3. Gingerols and shogols reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and aid digestion. Paired with lemon and warm water, it's perfect for seniors with cold hands, stiff joints, or bloating. Aging slows circulation, but ginger dilates vessels, while lemon's vitamin C supports immunity. A Journal of Ethnopharmacology study showed ginger speeds gastric emptying, easing bloating, and another in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found it reduces arthritis pain. How to? Slice half-inch fresh ginger, add to a mug with lemon juice, pour warm water, steep 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey for extra benefits. Sip post-meal or morning. Conclusion. Lemons are a health hero, but pairing matters. Avoid dairy, refined sugar, and oxalates to prevent digestive woes, sugar spikes, or kidney stones. Embrace honey, turmeric, and ginger for digestion, immunity, and vitality. After 60, it's about smart, small choices for big results. Drop a 1 in the comments if this helped, or 0 if you're ready to try these pairings. Share your lemon habits below. I'll reply with tips. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical wellness advice. You deserve to feel vibrant every day. See you next time.